and I'll be showing you how you can use a phone to shoot videos and edit videos. Perhaps you have been thinking of starting a vlog, or you've been thinking of telling your story in videos, or you've been thinking to use videos to communicate your brand. And you're wondering how to go about getting video gadgets, getting gears, lightnings, and all of that. You can start with what you have. And in this video, you'll be seeing how to use your smartphone to shoot nice videos. So the first thing to consider when beginning to shoot your video is framing. Now, what do I mean by framing? When you want to shoot a video, you should consider shooting in landscape mode and not portrait mode. You may shoot in portrait mode only if you are distributing your videos to Instagram stories, WhatsApp stories, Facebook stories, and every other platform that has the story feature. But then if you hope to distribute your videos to Facebook, YouTube, and every other platforms, and you want your video to look very interesting in every device, you should consider shooting your video in landscape mode. That's the industry standard. Number 2 rule is stability. Shaky videos looks very boring, unattractive, and unprofessional. You're shooting with your phone, and what you have to do is don't let your hand shake anyhow. Don't let overexcitement carry you away from what you are doing. Even if you were dancing and you decided to shoot a scene, stop dancing and focus on what you are doing. You may want to hold your phone with 2 hands so that it can be stable. But then alternatively, you could use a tripod, you could use a selfie stick. Personally, I love using tripods. They make my videos very stable and professional. Whatever is worth doing is worth doing well. So when you want to shoot a video, ensure that you are in a place that has good lights. You may not have money to buy lighting equipment, but you can stay close to the window. You can stay facing the window. Now the camera should be pointing towards you, not towards the light. The light should be throwing at your face and then making your face very bright for the camera to capture. When the camera is facing the light, your face gets darker. What's the use of a video when people can't hear what you're saying? Except, of course, you are only trying to present your act and not what you are saying. Now, when you are choosing to make videos with your smartphone, you should also consider your sound. Your sound is very important. Alright, now smartphones, they come with inbuilt microphone, but you can test your microphone to know if it's giving you what you want. And if it's not giving you what you want, you may want to choose lapel mics, or you may want to use clip mics or your earphone mic. You may want to choose them. And one of the advantages of using a clip mic or an external mic is so that when your camera moves away from you, people can still hear what you're saying. People can still hear your voice at the same level that they were hearing your voice before. So you might consider buying a good mic depending on your budget. It could be wireless, it could be wired, but clip mics are best for videos. Still on sounds, when you are shooting a video, ensure that the environment is very, very quiet. Except noisy environment is part of the plan in the video. But ensure you are making your videos in a less noisy environment, and make sure you are not playing any background music during your shooting, because first of all, it makes your video unprofessional. Secondly, uploading your video on YouTube might get striked if the song playing in the background is against the community rules or is claimed by someone else. Another rule is about your set. Shoot your videos in a very simple scene, in a very simple environment. Except busy environment is part of your story. But once it's not part of your story, stay in a place where you and what you are communicating will be the focus. Now, the last thing I'll be sharing with you in this episode is videos are very unique, and you are the focus of the video, or your brand is the focus of the video. Now, you must consider your attitude when making a video. When you are making a video, consider your audience right there with you. You are not there with your phone, you are there with your audience. So the way you relate with your audience should be the way you relate in your videos. If you are a very funny person, you love being funny, and your audience loves you that way, be funny on the screen. Whatever your audience loves about you, the way they want to relate with you, relate with them, because actually you are not speaking with your phone. The essence of your video is to reach out to your audience. So that's that on this very episode. Now you can go ahead and use your phone to make amazing videos. I would love to see the beautiful videos you are making with your phone. In the next episode, we'll be seeing how to edit and some recommended applications that you can use to make cool videos on your phone. And if you're watching this on YouTube, remember to click on the subscribe button because other episodes are coming up.